Good morning everyone. Today November 11 National Education Day. Our class 9A have prepared to celebrate the day. This day is the birthday of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. To honor and remember the leader, we consider this day as National Education Day. It's me Monica ready to present the day events with our friends. First comes Jeevish with the speech.
It's my pleasure to talk about National Education Day. National Education Day is an annual observation in India to commemorate the birth anniversary of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, the first Education Minister of Independent India, who served from 15th August 1947 until 2nd February 1958. The Ministry of Human Resource Development announced on 11th September 2008, the ministry has decided to commemorate the birthday of this great son by recalling his contribution to the cause of education in India by declaring it as a holiday. Education system in India make us a knowledgeable person who can survive in this competitive world. Education is a lamp in the hands of people who have lived in darkness of poverty and ignorance. Education is the passport of future for tomorrow, belongs to those who prepare it for today. Education is a key to unlock the golden door of freedom. Education is simply a soul of society as it passes from one generation to another. Education, Aristotle says, educating the mind without educating the heart is not education at all. So let's begin to educate our heart from today. Thank you.
Thank you, Jeevish. Now comes Rutrish with the craft.
Hi, hello everyone. I am P. Rutles from 9th standard A section. I am here to produce you the National Education Day craft, that is Proficiency Hat. Convocation Hat. After Civil War, academic regalia which means official dress, was reserved strictly for graduation. For that reason, the convocation hat and gown symbolizes recognition and achievement. Thank you.
Awesome, Rutrish. I may now present our classmates Shivadharni quotes on education.
I'm children of 9th A. I'm about to explain some famous quotes on education by our great leaders. Hello everyone, I'm Amshudani. I'm going to speak about famous quotes about education by great leaders. In India, adult literacy rate is 69.3%, among them male is 78.8% and female is 59.3%. India has 77.7% of literacy rate among the world. Here are some quotes about education by great leaders. First, we can see about Indira Gandhi. Education is the liberty force, and in our age, it is also a democratic force, cutting across the barriers of caste and class, some smoothing out inequalities imposed by birth and other circumstances. Now we can see about Swami Vivekananda. Education is the manifestation of perfection present already in man. Abdul Kalam says that some of the brightest minds in the country can be found on the last bench of our classroom. Now we can say out Kamaraja says that education or educating a woman is to educate the family. Now we can see about Dr. Radha Krishnan says that a life of joy and happiness is possible only on the basis of knowledge. Thank you.
Very nice, Shivadharani. Shall we all now look at the education and literacy rate of various countries by Sandhya?
Hi friends, I am Sandhya from 9A. Here I am going to show an education of literature rate and percentage of different countries.
Really useful, Sandhya. Next comes Treasure of Education by Rishikesh.
Hi everybody, I am Rishikesh from 9th and 8th section. Today our run art on National Education Day shows 5 basic rules for achieving a successful education is manners, dignity, discipline, self-respect and knowledge.
Thank you, Rishikesh.
I'm Ashlihanna from 9th A. Today we are celebrating National Education Day. It is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. Azad was a freedom fighter. He is the first education minister of independent India. He is the education minister of independent India from 1947 to 1958. National education is a significant day to show the importance of education. Education means a world of peace, justice, freedom and equality for all. No good life is possible without education. Education is necessary for all. Moreover, it motivates and empowers our mind. It helps us to grow in our knowledge day by day. It helps us to acquire new skills, techniques and knowledge. The more knowledge you gain, the more opportunities will open up. In a democratic country, it is hard for the citizens to live without education. Unless all citizens get education, it is hard for the democratic country. The democratic machinery cannot work well. First of all, education gives us the ability to read and write. Education doesn't have gender. It is important for both men and women. We are the citizens of India. We are the responsible to a great future. The main purpose of this day is to spread the awareness of education. Education is the most powerful weapon which we can use to change the world. Thank you for providing me a wonderful opportunity.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. Once again, thank you.